Welcome. Today, we look at the one thing artificial intelligence will never, ever be able to take from you. Technology can generate content at lightning speed, but generation is not leadership. It cannot build trust, manage people, resolve conflict, or lead change. Those require a human heart and mind. Human skills are becoming more, not less, valuable. As the office automates, interpersonal intelligence is your ultimate career insurance. Stop trying to outcompute the machine. Outlead it. Build advanced leadership skills through our professional development courses. We give you the masterclass in human connection. Innovate your mind. Illuminate your future. Visit us at ForEliteTraining.com. Join the elite today. Thank you.